How you doing, everybody? My name is Justin Schwartz. I'm here on behalf of Ape Labs USA, and today we're going to tell you and teach you about the Ape Labs ecosystem. Before we dive into all of that, please make sure you're checking us out at apelabsusa.com. If you have any questions, make sure you drop them down below, and of course, comment and like this video if you're enjoying our content. We'd love to see you back here again, so also consider subscribing. Now, the most important thing to understand about the Ape Labs ecosystem is that Ape Labs is a software company first that makes amazing hardware. So the software is what allows you to use a remote or the smartphone app to essentially control all of the lights that you're seeing behind me. So what you see behind me right now, I have some of the lights on, some of the lights off. But what we're able to do is we're able to get DMX-like programming with just a simple app. That means that I can set up separately the lights behind me on different groups, up to 4 different groups, control them all at the same time. So no matter what you're going to purchase with Ape Labs, whether it be a coin, a can, a mini, a maxi, a stick, a neon, one of the new neon stripes, any of the Ape Labs products, again, going back to 2014, they're all going to work automatically at the touch of a button and sync seamlessly for you. We're gonna go to group 1 here, hit the button, and they're on. Boom, just like that. We'll turn them off. We're gonna go to group 2. Group 2, I have my maxi here, and I have my maxis here on the side. We'll hit group 2. Now you see maxis on the side. Imagine that being your perimeter uplighting around a room. We'll turn those off. Group 3 now, we have our minis in the truss there. Right there, you see them? In, out, and just like that, they're on and off, and those can be used in different applications as well. So now you have different and separate control over that. And on group 4, we have our cans here, and you'll see some going up the wall. You'll see some on the unistand here, and also have one up on the ceiling on a swivel ball adapter, using them for all different types of effects. But just like that, you have the ability now to control your wall decor or any way else that you're deploying the cans. So now, if we do a full long press, we want to turn them all on, we can do that. If we want to turn the maxis down as far as the brightness, we can do that, all separately. If we want to take the sticks and we want to change the colors of those, we can do that. Very simple. All here done through the smart remote. Plus, the Ape Labs Connect here gives you up to a 1 mile distance range, which means that you can control lights from up to 1 mile away from where this is going to be. When will you need that? I don't know, but it's nice to know you have it, right? And then the beautiful thing about Ape Labs, and one of the biggest things in the ecosystem that we haven't discussed yet, is called music mode. Music mode is a 1-button activation for an instant lighting show, and that is going to sync directly with whatever music you're playing. And because of the closed network wireless system in the Ape Labs ecosystem, it creates a lighting show that's going to consistently change by listening to the room, hearing the music around it, and then taking that information back to the lights and staggering them and creating a light show that you'll only see once. It's pretty amazing, and it's one of the easiest ways to look like a rock star, to look like you have a lighting designer without actually having one, and just hitting a button here and having that do its thing. Use music mode to sync everything and create a party just at the touch of a button. Let's demonstrate it when you can see exactly what it does and how it works so nicely. Here we go. Another really cool feature of the Ape Labs ecosystem is something called Power Save Mode. Power Save Mode is available by using the Ape Labs Connect. And what it's going to enable you to do is actually extend your battery life. So for example, if you have a full charge on a Maxi, Ape Labs Maxi typically has about a 14+ hour battery life. If you were to use Power Save Mode on the Ape Labs Connect, what that's going to do is set an auto dimming function and extend the battery life. it's actually going to give you up to 48 hours of runtime. So no one has 48-hour gigs, right? But you might have 3 events in a weekend where you're not going to have the ability to charge these lights. If you put them into power save mode on the Friday and you have a gig Friday night, maybe a couple Saturday, and maybe one on Sunday, you'll be able to get through all 4 of your gigs without having to charge the lights and never having to worry, oh my God, are my lights gonna die? One of the last things to understand about the Ape Labs ecosystem is, as we mentioned to you earlier, Ape Labs is a software company first. That software is constantly evolving. They're offering free firmware updates, and that means that any light you purchase today can be updated basically for life. So in 3 years, if Ape Labs comes out with a new feature that they're going to add to the Ape Labs Connect, you can take your old light, you can update it, and that light now will own the same feature set as the newest Ape Labs lights. Of course, everything from Ape Labs is covered by the 3-year USA warranty, so you're fully covered, and everything can be fixed. It's not something where if an LED goes out, well, you're gonna have to throw it out like a lot of other products out there. No, you actually can fix that LED diode, send it into Ape Labs USA, and they'll repair it for you and get you back your light. Another really cool part to understand about the Ape Labs ecosystem are the available accessories for all of the lights, and a lot of them work together or can be used for different functions or different products in general. So the Unistand here is the telescoping stand from Ape Labs. It could be used with almost all of their products. And then you have individual product accessories like the tube adapter here for the can. You can turn your can into a table tube. You can take your can and you can put it on something called a swivel ball adapter, which actually allows you to mount it to anything that's magnetized, just like this, and then point and shoot it in any direction that you want. So that's going to allow you to use a can like a standard uplight, or you can invert it and start to point it down. You can change out the optics in almost every single one of the lights. So the Mini, the Maxi, the Can, the Coin, you can take the optics that come with it. For example, the Can has a Fresnel lens, about a 65-degree Fresnel lens. You can take a 15-degree optic and put that into the Can and turn it into a wash light. The ability to change out the optics, you can make your lights even more flexible. All right, everybody, so we hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have any questions, make sure you drop them down below. Make sure you're checking us out at apelabsusa.com. And of course, consider subscribing. We'd love to see you back here again. Thank you so much for watching this video. We really appreciate you being part of the Ape Labs family. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed making it. And we'll see you on the next one. All right, everyone? Auf Wiedersehen.